lunch that's going to be healthy and super easy. So I came to my garden to pluck some ladyfinger. I have a garden, it's small garden, and I grown some veggies there. So we can harvest some ladyfinger from here. So you want to see? I have the pink one. Can you see this? And see this one. Right? This is okra ladyfinger. I have here one more. Yeah. So we can make chutney with this. I have even the green one. See. This is the green one. Here one more growing. See, can you see? If you grow your own vegetables, how we will feel happy, right? When we prepare our dish and we never see that we are using so much of grains and grains that are very difficult to digest, and it takes lot of time to digest. So we have to reduce the amount of the grains what we are taking in. I'm not saying you have to remove grains from your diet, okay? Just we have to reduce the amount of intake. So today I'm going to prepare lunch using this method, and this lunch is for those who are looking for weight loss and to cure any disease, yes, any disease, and to those who wants to be healthy, happier life. So let's get started. Dosa, we need a proso millet. I have taken here a quarter cup. So we have to wash this, and I have soaked it for 5 to 6 hours, and we have to remove all the water, drain it, and put it in the mixer jar. See, I am here using for the one person. It will become only for one person. If you want to make it to for 2 person, you can double the quantity. So remove the excess water and grind it. So after this, like it will become like powder. So because we didn't add any water, so it's like this. And you have to add cucumber, half a cup of cucumber, chopped cucumber, and just grind it one more time. You have to grind this time smooth paste. See, like this, and it will become dosa batter. It's ready. For this, you have to add little bit salt according to your taste. So then mix it. See, this consistency you require. So now dosa batter is ready. Keep it aside. For beans curry, here we have taken a mustard seed. You have to roast it, and then curry leaves. Add some curry leaf, and I have taken one chili. If you want, you can take two, but I think one is enough, I guess. So just roast it, dry roast it. And I have taken here urad dal and chana dal. So just roast it. It will take little time because mine is clay tawa, so it will take little time to roast. So here I have taken 1/3 cup of baked beans. I have already baked it. So you can add this and just roast it with together. It should combine well, and add little bit salt according to your taste, and then mix it. So for this you can add cilantro and coconut, shredded coconut also. So for next, what we can do is the chutney. So chutney, this is I have taken from my garden. So cut it to small pieces. What I did is like I kept it under the sun, or you can just keep it inside about half an hour so that the sticky part will dry off. So then next you have to roast this, dry roast. So if there is no sticky part, and it will be very easy to dry roast. No need to put any oil, nothing. So then roast these capsicums. You can take same amount or you can reduce it your wish. And 2 chilies and curry leaf. Actually you can add curry leaf later on because it will burn fast, so I have added earlier, so I have to remove it. So then mix it well, and I'm closing lid here to make it a little faster. So I think it's done now. See, remove all this from tawa. So now in the mixer jar I am going to add half a teaspoon of lemon juice and a quarter cup of coconut, and this capsicum, chili and curry leaf. So next we can add little salt. We are not adding now the okra. Only thing we have to grind this. Before itself you can add the cilantro. I totally forgot to add cilantro, so now I am adding the cilantro. So grind it, and then you are going to add okra, because after adding okra it shouldn't be a smooth paste. Like you should grind it for 1 or 2 twists. That's it. So this I am going to twist one more time. I think this is enough, not more than that. So now the consistency, you can see chutney is ready. It should be like that. So next thing is dosa. What I'm doing is like I have put some oil and sprinkle some water. It's a technique. Okay, then wipe it off all the oil. So then pour the batter and make a big circle. Why I'm doing this is like sometime the dosa won't come out. So if you do like this technique, the always come dosa will come perfectly out from the tawa. See how perfect it is. So I'm not going to use the oil. Only I'm going to use the oil to make tawa cleaner. It will come out. Dosa will come out properly. See how soft it has become. And again I'm doing the same method. Just put some oil and just sprinkle out of water and wipe it off. It's a magic, I guess. So then pour the batter. Second dosa, what I have made, it will become only 2 dosas. So this is for one person. So I will have this dosa, and dosa is ready. Perfect, red, everything is nice. So now we can serve this in a plate. Put dosa, chutney and curry, beans curry, dry curry, and you can garnish with anything. See how beautiful it is, delicious, looks good.